There's a hidden truth that every high-value guy knows. Respect isn't something you ask for, it's something you live. Here's the cold reality. Women don't respect your words, they respect your boundaries. They respect your backbone. They respect what you say no to way more than what you say yes to. Most guys lose their girl not when they stop loving her, but when they stop commanding respect. The reason she doesn't see you as the man anymore is because you handed her your power in a million small ways. That ends right now. Here are the 5 most powerful boundaries you'll ever need. This isn't about controlling her, it's about controlling yourself so clearly that she has no choice but to completely rethink how she sees you. If you want to live like this, drop a comment below. I choose respect. Number 1. Never reward disrespect. Here is the raw truth. The moment you accept disrespect, you become replaceable. It doesn't matter how long you've been together. The second she senses you'll tolerate being belittled, ignored, or insulted, she stops seeing you as a man she needs to earn and starts seeing you as a man she can use. A woman will never respect a guy who stays loyal while she chips away at his dignity. She might keep you around for comfort, sure, but she won't look up to you. Respect isn't found in the compliments, it's found in how she speaks to you when she doesn't need to impress you. When you stay silent after she mocks you, or if you apologize when she is the one in the wrong, you are sending one loud message. My self-worth depends on your attention, and that kills desire instantly. Women test you to feel your strength. A man without boundaries is a soft space, and soft spaces get walked on. So how do you fix this? You create consequences. You become the man who never shouts, never begs, but never tolerates disrespect. Here's the blueprint. First, recognize it. Interrupting you, mocking your goals, bringing up exes, giving you the silent treatment. These are direct hits to your soul. Second, correct it once, calmly. You say, "Don't speak to me like that. If it happens again, I'm done." No arguments, no rage. If she does it again, you walk away. She'll either level up or she'll leave. Either way, you win. Stop chasing. Pour that energy into your body, your business, your mission. Build a life so aligned with who you are that only those who respect you can enter it. When you stop tolerating disrespect from her, you stop tolerating mediocrity in yourself.
Number 2, guard your peace. Peace isn't something you just stumble into, it's something you defend like your life depends on it. A man without peace is reactive. He's living in survival mode, constantly performing for people who don't even care. Peace is your power. It's the state where you don't jump at insults or explain yourself to doubters. It's the ultimate flex. But most men leak their peace. Every instant reply, every argument you step into, every favor you do out of guilt, it drains you dry. You cannot build an empire or lead a relationship with a chaotic mind. Women feel that chaos instantly, and no woman respects a man who needs to be led. To guard your peace, you have to become unavailable to chaos. Look at your phone, your friends, your habits. If it poisons your peace, cut it. No second chances. You don't argue because you don't need to prove yourself to anyone. You don't chase, you don't scroll endlessly. You treat access to you as something sacred. When she creates emotional noise just to test your edges, don't jump. Stay calm. Hold the silence. Eventually, she'll either adapt to your frequency or she'll exit your life. Guard your peace like gold, because the man who owns his mind owns his world. Number 3, don't share too much. She wants to feel your depth, not drown in it. She wants to discover you, not carry you. The moment you dump every insecurity and doubt onto her, you become her project. And trust me, women don't fall in love with projects. You've been told to be vulnerable, but notice what happens when you overshare. She doesn't pull you closer. She starts seeing you as her emotional equal, not her protector. There is a sacred distance, a mystery that keeps the fire alive. It keeps her guessing and it keeps her chasing. A respected man feels deeply but moves intentionally. He doesn't use his story to get sympathy. When you share everything too soon, it overwhelms her. Instead of leaning in, she pulls away because she wants to lean on you, not save you. Treat your story like a treasure chest, not a flyer you hand out on the street. Let her earn access. Answer questions just enough to make her curious. You aren't hiding, you're preserving the polarity. Build a fortress around your emotional world so strong that when you finally do open up, it's a privilege, not a burden. This makes you magnetic.
Number 4. No emotional reactivity. Control is not the absence of emotion, it's the mastery of it. If she can trigger you with a simple tone shift or a comment, she owns you. That is emotional reactivity. Women test for this to see if you are stable. If you crumble or lash out every time she pokes you, you have no core. But the man who stands still in the storm, he dominates. You need to become emotionally sovereign. When she throws a curveball, don't plead, don't explain, and don't rage. Remain rooted. Face your triggers, the parts of you that panic when validation is withdrawn, and take control. When you stop reacting, people stop provoking you because they realize they can't move you. You talk less, you observe more, you become the container for her chaos without drowning in it. This is a superpower. While other men fight petty battles and defend their fragile egos, you rise above it. No emotional reactivity means you stop handing over the steering wheel of your life. Number 5. Always be willing to walk away. The man willing to walk away from anything that insults his soul is the most powerful man in the room. Too many men stay in bad jobs and disrespectful relationships out of fear. They shrink until they are invisible. But when you are willing to walk, you become magnetic. You don't stay for comfort, you stay for standards. Women know the difference. If she knows you'll leave the second respect is gone, she brings her best. Walking away isn't heartless, it's being loyal to yourself. It says, I love you, but I love my self-respect more. This filters your life. People either rise to your level or they exit. There is no middle ground. Real growth happens in the silence after you walk away. That is where you meet the version of yourself who no longer begs or chases. Be willing to walk away from anything that makes you forget who you are. The moment you choose self-respect over comfort, your real life begins. You were not born to live on your knees. You were meant to walk in power, quietly, calmly, unshakably. If this hit home, don't let it fade. Lock it in. This is a new era for you. If you're ready to become the man you were meant to be, subscribe to the channel. Share this with a friend. Comment below, I choose respect over validation. This is Booknestle.